On this island in Japan, rabbits are everywhere.
Hi, I'm Eleanor, and today we're visiting one of the cutest places in Japan. Have you ever heard of Okunoshima, also known as Rabbit Island? This small island is home to hundreds of wild rabbits. When visitors arrive, the rabbits quickly run toward them. Long ago, a few rabbits were released here. Over time, their population grew across the entire island. Today, people travel here from around the world. The world is full of amazing places. Follow me to discover more.